Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Edika maminchia yeti for enyimre. Mining na ankasa. You started mining in Ghana hache. Until we share all the big firms now mining companies now. Yeah. Mining, me as I said, they even move the people from where they are to a new locality. The challenge is not the mining. In your mining, no challenge in your mining, no challenge in your mining. Yes, sense no, an issue no, because once they be a mining and some obi and cut talents as some da. Who talents say, I'm good. Wow. Yes, I'm good.
How do I say you?
Because they have a system they use to work on, and now almost two eco form.
How I see a talents in mining.
Because
as soon said
no, that mining is share of home. The share now, so what year we will not go through these issues now.
But maybe a talents in mining, no, is it not under government of Ghana?
We say no, sir. That's small scale
about the local people.
Yeah, small scale. Yeah, no, base small ones. But they have some regulations. Say Jumano. But baby, I could do say. Minor do baby. I could do say. I can once him. The rate at which yes no, yes say, farming land, yes say. That is where the issues have come to. Now, we say in all the governance in now, those issues. In fact, burning of excavators started in 2015. If I know you see excavators, never shati, because Ghana subai in terms of managing crisis. So we kaya amount for a ton to make free to go back. Yachi omwa na yashi ntomano. These are things. In fact, the only thing I yenshi or Ghana any cookie. But they be as easy, but you baby haifa. Harap into I do a echo to the stand say. Time I hear she being excavated the first time. There was a hue and cry on the and say, "Hey, be munting a some business in yen stop and can bet me use excavators, to do something." So I was saying share to regularize these issues. But and to me, see even before the the NDC government left power. But we all came to see that now issues I cost so too much. Emma omanpeni na now do obaba abemono. Pressmen couple say can once say yensuo no say because in so na say no dodo no eje bebe e mine no. But be nsuo no etinifa no ene we say nsuo na bedu bebi a say because we do 2016 yenya crisis e the jury. Yenya crisis ama water company ka say edru a omo be gum mede huru nsuo no ansa yenye nsuo no omo nsuo about 20 times before getting water. Into about challenge, into about we do is so on that time, say yen the dredging and but a friend say mining be a baby and I can nsuo no amorua na tachie no abefa ho. But that's the end point I ever say nsuo na yen ho. So efforts were made political crowd kai kama yaka say na tebi ebeye headquarters of Galamsey Job Mahama amfa ne ho endi ya papa che okrapo say one kase ya nya Galamsey okrapo because omo nya Galamsey omo nya illegal mining because omo de omo ya dia omo ya no it doesn't happen. The president Nanado at the fighting of Galamsey at the presidency etoso say obiaba ontimi ansolve because but onu baby what could do ni there obesolve issue no. Intiamansa support, media houses, political parties, everybody gave that support. They obey. Then they introduced a program. In the course of solving the problem, and I'm introduce program B. After from say Vanguard, say Omochishi excavator, and introduce community mining. But everybody could have thought, say, community mining, I bind here, no. In the share papa be our home. How to reclaim the land should be part of their program. Because they say that once it's a community mining, I buy any hour so. In the Senate, Honorable Ekasi, Nanka, Omutua, Omunimse Namunya, say, when I'm fellow Mokoton, Kakra Bayi, which means I buy a san share no to her. Then, 2 years down the line, now Mampeni and Kasa Bejinaho, that is a sona. I can say, and the Quanya say, young yet a Jimmy year. Na ya broader consultation na baby you are see the Ghana economy enye. It means that John Kufuor Dankasa Dimiti say is failed in terms of fighting the Galamsey.
Maybe the approach that they used, wasn't the right.
And I make her say approach,
And not just our feeling.
And I make her say approach, ye who the ashi excavator. In fact, me kai Joe Wise. E ka say nanka wo tumia. Nanka chi Galamsey ni bi ebo nutu onku Joe Wise mentioned it. That time when na obekaya na ye san winning bi e watamale. And I'm going to see that a friend say I'm saying on now parliament that time 2016 until 2015 thereabout. 2017. Yes, she a friend say excavators in the truck what Northfield region. Because
I remember.
San winning. San winning all the part. In fact, they classify all as mining. Say almost say as I say environment. In fact, Haruna Iddrisu became so angry on that. Say we could have gone through another approach to solve it, but yes, our issues, And I make her say the government saw this. Joe Wise gave advice and Kobobo to Eku, as excavators, when they wanted to do community mining. By the year, no one. But people who manage the community mining, became the political party people. So they were now taking the opportunity to just mine the way they want it. The way they want it. As I say, they don't even do the right thing because
but community mining doesn't mean they go and mine in the rivers.
But that is the result. Because that's the way we have got into. Me say, still, nyama ya kike they say no. Mami mo example back. Pa eninem, dey me ma say example. On say railway no. Baby amuton sa Iranam no. On your left, Okofrinka na okwa. On the left, no so be that ho. In fact, almost to community mining. Yes, almost to community mining just close the railways. I say so no.
And community mining.
Community mining. In fact, go and ask everybody. It's community mining because want to mean to illegal mining close the road. Because
not a river.
Not the river. Unless you have been given some protection. That protection in that went to this extent. Until Bikita, where your party ni, where you be a power as support no. Until if you even go on of the license, unim raise your deco. And now baby, I didn't was in so na mudi wo renyama. So you still go closer to the water and wash it. They don't normally mine in the water. But when they wash,
it goes back
to the water. Adi ayakana omu mine when so omu din draw egumu. And they consume nobody washes and put it. This is the challenge. Yenya I saw mine. And on mine is say who say the ni na no antimia resolve sa problem. She excavators. Yes, CZ excavators. But yes, CZ, I'm penny for be excavators. You will be a walk because nobody can tell me say excavator pa. These are the two trailers so and suddenly a free baby a walk. I bet me it doesn't happen.
You support the banning of the excavators.
In fact, it's I don't know why we even gone to that stage again. I don't know because you are here 3 times before this stage. It didn't solve the problem. It didn't. And solve the problem. And she share now I am fan to more especially many of these excavators in Ebaye at the time now on my penny year forum to get solution for the issues. I be a benefit be share I catch my penny excavator now.
Maybe some that these are some of.
In fact, if you listen to the small mining friends, minus no almost say enka because almost she says so cheap miner be any machines are confiscated. So they are surprised say yes she nyama. In the example say fancy couples you want to reclaim the land. You want to do something different. You need excavator. In fact, let me tell one of the miners no. Was it yes about the petrol pen gumu. The explosion to now blow. Wow. The only thing now we will get is scraps. And the scraps soon to be found because how many scraps. So what advice the Ben from forum now?
So what do we do?
You
they
see?
say yeah forum dialogue. At the end of the dialogue, no, you say you started excavators. So people are complaining say that is not the right approach. What's the government use? So what do we do?
It comes with political will. Galam say issue. Say yes, so a political will. Now it's applicable to political will. Let's see say best top of here say hold on. Say about hold on all mining. Now ebema obi say on mining na regulations no. Yem fama de omunim ejuma no. Say no be ejuma na ejuma no eyiyamai. Other than that, when we give it to the same political powers, we still go into these problems. Because in your mind, say politicians are behind it. If I go some of the sites, I'll be willing. They will call a Monsieur de Bia, Masun Conta. They will tell you, say, Chairman, where any site in here. These are the facts on the ground. In fact, yes, they say, she, a friend, no. We are yesterday. Now, one of the president of the small scale miners, you know, I can say there's a forest in there. Chinese company are mining today. Chinese company are mining because they are manos in the forest. So for me, those issues in there, they become one same because we got it on tape. Who are capable see NDC 49% yanka one same. Tama from about it ewo hono. Omuka say galam say no gold no e na muni nya party ejuma. We saw it when I actually was so. In fact, if truly say obiati make akasa, somebody could have been prosecuted on that one. Because yen so na mu say ye Ghana for so yen so na mu say dey mu party ejuma. So it's a political will. Say be shishi excavators. For me, as the reason why they cannot also use it for one village, one district, one dam, no, because omunya ankata munyebi. In terms of the call crap, a best first space because I do not mind amaja. Oh, until
one village, one dam.
And the way I say, Uncle Chin Nam says.
Yeah, I know.
The way I say, you must say, Uncle Chin Nam. Minister, no way.
I'm assigning different person.
As I make an say, it's a minister in our
presidency in Kenya.
Hey, what? That be not first presidency, no.
Was it?
Oh, well, come see, minister or presidency.
Lawyer, minister, and Casa.
Minister for Special Initiative.
Oh, the president initiative. Hey, presidency. No. You see, initiative, a president in. I'm sorry. Now, don't take on your son to change. It's a magic. Interexcavator no say no advice but it could be better. Say at least we find a way because any solution because my mouth are Togo issues we. Only me say back cars say na okay honorable. It is cars what ebo who the car about 10 years una there here. You turn back. In fact there was a time you see top man doctors, nurses, say crisis hospitals we should give to doctors who are working in those areas to buy. It will turn car, we to car from a brochiba, now turn car 1,000 Ghana cedis. But a bus also are, when say the same penny for on a total cars, you know.
Me is okay.
But if we can even start doing that, by excavators where there will be kotoa, won't be Tom will be individual. Because kotoa is the same thing. But mining there, we still do. In fact, yesterday, when some of the miners are speaking, no more can say Ghana. Every part of the country, there is gold. but depend on the level now. And I'm say 5% depend on ya but the problem now is
you almost doing
I'm say everybody say na honorable catch on say omo dey so na mututu e tutu field na so e tutu so on so to 10 feet bi a untim ko bio so to more than 10 feet a untim find to be
but I think say big companies omo
they go down over friends say obasi
Anglo Gold Ashanti
omo baby omo na mo sin so and they tell you the deep that they go the depth that they go
Asila
go no afi na mo hu bebre krapo omo hu ni nkitinkiti sa na honorable kan say sa nkitinkiti no a wonya ya o de koye shi onu but it's also will also explain the economic situation in the country because it has been the easiest way to make money so in fact uko be mining now when you see youth asala ekotu I'm sure it's be brave. It's scary. It's very, very scary. But now no in you free na attitude. In penny phone from Ejuma. Because no youth can just move on the mining site to say oh to BB. No. Because you never been ultimate. But political will is very important. We accept to say Nanado are failing the first 4 years when it comes to fighting Galamsey. But in fact, they say that style of master to crop on a Omampeni a national forum on the friends saying Galamsey. Where we now almost start some almost excavator. They say I feel I'm regional one. Who's autonomous regional one? Ashanti region.
Forum no.
I feel I'm regional ones. I feel I'm starting regions. My national we are not flying for the same region. Abaye. I feel no more can see Kabi Omuneko say a former query. They are going to do it tomorrow.
Oh, sir, I'm the message you quote to the people.
Okay.
Sometimes better.
Okay.
You're the national level now and think
you see, Unim, that is why I say that we have a confused
then
leadership.
Why did you
start it from there?
And say,
I say, baby, Unim, I'm in trouble. Oh no, I say, baby, you can cry your own maimu. It will go to Vasini. Moody, your forum. No saying, Sashi.
That's a forum, no, so if I so be free.
If I so be a free national one, and excavator. You didn't get a solution, Unim. At every institution, we are CBR. Bottom up approach is the best solution. Nanka West at here, Nanka Mount first district, no more region, no more picking informations. When you come up, you have already now picking information. Here, then we can say any information. No, now we are going down to do education. Any education, forum is different from education. We no more forum. Omatina cry there, I say Ghana Sika Awi. In fact, to deceive all of us. Otiko also betinaso. Dare to deceive us. But you see, I think the MPP, where we are getting to now, we are ready to support them because Ghana is India. Because we, that my from Sombra Saint, almost say almost the Ghana there, wire with their ideas. That be they are ready.
That's for that.
Oh, that be they are ready. Who can say you call this one? You were in this video call ye.
They are not cocaine.
I will go buy all ideas by ye. I'm not who can say David. He went there because he was a former minister, but he's an NDC member. When you are former minister, when we call for Senti, did you go? Yes, Senti, you are former ministers of finance. You are a member of parliament. You ignore it. Musimo Bianco. But this one we started. We have already told you, say, about minor. Who can say about free education? Don't abandon my say, Mummy, I am Brian Tenase. Yeah, she's an abayasm. What's the boy in your mama? Drink it. Oh, my baby, I don't know. It doesn't matter how a bay or minor. You do elections, Ghana to decide.
Okay. So,
Mummy, baby, I could do say no. Political will is very, very important. Very, very, very important. Among for any chairman party for him chairman. In fact, recently I know National Women Organizer. I catch a friend saying road minister attempt. Now youth of the Tiwa Eka say So one perpetual, they will expose her mining activity she is doing. Galamsey warrior. If we are serious as a country, call them, call the woman organizer. Where is she doing her mining? Yankoshe. Some person will be away and you punish her. But political will in you. Sikanaka say no mining. I'm saying no on Benya, but immediately you know. Gold now. Yes, she. I won't say she excavators. Even now do of course I never know. Gold no muji no say away. Gold no muji from Galamsey for no amuko jino. That is for muko jino. And no so omashiana.
Medasi ala Jibril medasi pe. Honorable Mame Simon Chana meba.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no. Needs FM.